Self-development, LETV. Drinking this tea reduces 99.9% of COVID-19 virus in saliva. Drinking a cup of tea, including black and green tea, could help in the fight against COVID-19, a study has found. A team of researchers from the University of Georgia in the U.S. found that 5 types of tea, including black and green tea, were shown to neutralize, inactivate, the COVID-19 virus in saliva in the mouth. These results suggest that inactivating the virus in the mouth and throat may reduce the amount of virus that enters the lower respiratory tract. However, the researchers emphasize that the results cannot be suggested as a direct way to combat COVID-19 at this time, and that further clinical trials are needed. The study's first author, Malik Asaili, a researcher at the Center for Food Safety in the College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences at the University of Georgia, said, "We found that 5 types of tea, including black and green tea, inactivated up to 99.9% of the COVID-19 virus in saliva. Inactivating the virus in the mouth and throat can reduce the amount of virus that enters the lower respiratory tract. The virus infects and replicates in the mouth, passing through the oropharynx and into the lungs." The team looked at 24 commercially available teas known to be good for respiratory health. Of these, 5 teas, black tea, green tea, raspberry ginger, eucalyptus mint, and mint medley, were found to significantly reduce the virus in saliva. Black tea had the greatest reduction. The team tested the results in a simulation in the lab. The researchers prepared drinking teas and gargling teas. The gargle tea was designed for people who don't want to drink tea, but still want a highly concentrated gargle that has the same effect as drinking a cup of tea. The researchers prepared the drinkable teas by brewing 1 tea bag per cup for 10 minutes, without adding milk or sugar. All 5 teas, including black tea, reduced the COVID-19 virus by more than 96% within 10 seconds in the mouth. Black tea was the most effective, reducing the virus by 99.9%. The researchers also prepared a highly concentrated gargle with 4 times the concentration of the drinking tea. All 5 teas, including black tea, reduced the virus by 99.9% within 10 seconds when gargled. The virus replicates in the nose and may have already reached the lungs by the time a person tests positive, says researcher Asaili. At this stage, we cannot suggest tea as a direct treatment for COVID-19, but it may help fight the virus, said Dr. Asaili. However, it's important to keep in mind that it's too early to use it as a direct treatment or prevention at this time. Further research and clinical trials are needed, suggesting that these teas could be considered as a complement to, but not a substitute for, medical care. Source: comedy.com, Young Siop Kim. Thanks for whacking.